Getting started with Perplexity AI's API requires obtaining an API key through a straightforward registration process. We'll walk through each step to get you up and running. Step 1. Visit the Perplexity Developer Portal. This is where you'll begin your journey to access Perplexity's powerful search-augmented AI capabilities. Step 2. Create your account by signing up with your email address or using OAuth authentication through Google or GitHub. This gives you multiple convenient options for registration. Step 3. Verify your email address. After registration, check your inbox for a verification email and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Step 4. Complete your developer profile. Describe your intended use case for the API and agree to the terms of service and usage policies. This helps Perplexity understand how you plan to use their service. Step 5. Access your dashboard and generate your API key. Once approved, you can create API keys with specific permissions and configure rate limits and usage alerts to manage your usage effectively. Finally, Step 6. Download the necessary SDKs and test your connection. Perplexity provides examples for Python, JavaScript, and curl. Test your API connection with sample requests and implement proper error handling and rate limiting for production use. You now have everything you need to obtain and start using your Perplexity AI API key. With your developer account set up, API key generated, and SDKs downloaded, you're ready to integrate Perplexity's powerful search capabilities into your applications. Understanding Perplexity, AI's pricing structure and usage guidelines is essential for developers planning to integrate their API. The platform offers flexible pricing tiers designed to accommodate different usage levels and requirements. Perplexity AI provides 3 main pricing tiers as of August 2025. Each tier is designed for different usage patterns, from individual developers to enterprise applications. Beyond the base tiers, Perplexity uses usage-based pricing for additional calls. Overage charges are just 1 cent per additional API call, making it cost-effective for variable usage patterns. Understanding acceptable use cases is crucial for API compliance. Perplexity clearly defines what constitutes valid usage versus prohibited activities to maintain service quality and legal compliance. Security and compliance are paramount when working with APIs. Proper API key management, data privacy compliance, and following security best practices protect both your application and user data. To optimize costs and ensure efficient API usage, implement caching for frequently requested information, monitor your usage patterns regularly, and choose the appropriate tier based on your actual needs, rather than estimated requirements.